Haley, you're gonna have to taste some salty water. You can retract that tongue from me.
Oh, tongue. I think that's cheese.
Okay, there we go. Let me know if you feel anything uncomfortable, okay? I got that. Turn to me. Retract it. Just a little bit. Good. Okay. Implant is in. We are just going to apply the final torque to the implant now. Beautiful. And now we will place a healing abutment on the implant. How you doing?
Good.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Okay, so this is just a healing abutment. It just covers the implant until we're ready to put the tooth on. Stay open for me. Open to the space. Good. One more time. So we can see the implant is nice and tight. Beautiful. Let's just give a little rinse out. Okay, and she's done.